Let's proceed to this important concept called Vision 2020. What is this? What's the meaning of this? It is a program devised by the government with an aim of having 20 by 20 vision by 2020. What is 20 by 20? It's nothing but 6 by 6 vision. Okay. It's another type of notation. So 2020 is 6 by 6 vision by the year 2020. So for the most important etiologies of blindness in our country, there have been devised specific plans. So the first and most important is cataract. So that will be dealt by surgeries, trachoma by safe strategy, childhood blindness by vitamin A supplementation, refractive errors, the help of spectacle correction. This is how it has been planned to reach a vision of 6 by 6 by the year 2020. Now, onchocerciasis is also an important cause of blindness, but it is not too rampant in India. Instead of that, we will consider glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy and manage them accordingly. Now, CSR is another term which has been asked in the previous exams. It is cataract surgery rate, and by definition is number of cataract surgeries per million of population per year. Per million per year, number of cataract surgeries performed. That is CSR. And GET 2020 stands for Global Eradication of Trachoma, GET, Global Eradication of Trachoma by the year 2020. Now let's proceed to spring catarrh, which is also known as the vernal catarrh or vernal keratoconjunctivitis. However, it does not occur in spring. It occurs in summers, so it's a misnomer. It occurs mostly in children, that is young boys mostly. Boys are more predisposed to this. It's an allergic type of conjunctivitis and they present with severe itching along with a ropey discharge. This is the hallmark feature of spring catarrh, that is cobblestone papillae. See, you can appreciate these very beautifully over here. These are the cobblestone papillae. And then another important feature is the Horner-Tranter spot at the limbus over here. These are the Horner-Tranter spot, and a shield ulcer is also seen in the cornea. All of these are signs of spring catarrh. And Maxwell license sign is seen on eversion of eyelid. Pseudomembrane is formed by atmospheric heat. Okay, and the treatment of choice, first drug of choice will be sodium chromoglycate, and then another latest drug is olopatadine, sodium chromoglycate or olopatadine. These are the management modalities for spring catarrh. Right, now let's proceed to pingicula. This is nothing but a fatty degeneration of the conjunctiva, and it is seen in people who are exposed highly to dry and dusty climates, such as those who reside in dry climates or those who do farming or a lot of work in the dry sun outside. Okay, it is a benign condition and does not cause any visual impairment or pain, and it does not require any treatment unless you have an issue for cosmesis. Okay, otherwise it is completely benign. You can just let it be.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sai Suguna, your mentor for ophthalmology at Medico app. Now, thanks for watching the video. Now we have put such videos all together in our ophthalmology app. The trial version you can download from the link over here or in the description box below.